This is part 2 of how I got my tight, no frizz curls.
Who run the world? Curls. Who run the world? Curls.
Welcome to part 2, everyone. So in this video, I'm showing you the process of me actually putting in the rods, so just so you can see the frequency and the sizing and just how quickly I do it. Of course, this video is on speed. I have multiplied the time by like 4, I think. So, I'm definitely not this fast, but it is a pretty easy process. You just start from the roots, and as we said in the last video, you twist as you curl. You twist as you curl. And right before I do that, I first start off with my moisturizing spray, and then I put the setting foam. So for this process, I put one foam on the left hand side, which was the Jamaican mango and lime setting foam, and on the right hand side I used the Nairobi brand. So I don't think I have any Nairobi curls in this particular video, but just know that when you get the final look, you're gonna see one side has a bit of a tighter curl and the other side has a looser curl. And that's because I use 2 completely different products on both sides. So you'll see, and you can make a judgment for yourself. Some people like a tighter curl, some people like a looser curl. It's totally up to you. It depends on what look you're going for. I prefer to start with the tighter curl because then it'll last longer. I promise you, by the end of the first day, it's already going to drop, and the look of the dropped curl looks so beautiful. Now don't laugh at me, but basically my plan was to keep these rods in for at first I said a day and a half, but I was going to keep it in for 2-3 days because I didn't really have to report anywhere until Thursday. Remember, I put these in on a Sunday, and I had an obligation on Monday morning that there was no way I was going to be able to miss that. I really wanted to show up for my friend, and I had to leave the house. So I came up with a workaround that I think you might find quite interesting.
So much to think about.
Hello there. This is Ty here, and this is my attire for the day. So we had a bit of a debacle today. I wasn't really planning on leaving the house, but I needed to leave the house. And underneath it, I have a roller. So I needed to find a way to be presentable and still have my rollers. So this is the finished product. I'm going to have you guys just see a video of the whole look, and I'll show it to you. And it has worked. I have owned it. Hey everyone! Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I was just following up on my head tie day / nun day / Sister Mary of the Holy Rollers. So I let my hair cook for the last 4 days with the rollers, just so I can make sure that it was officially dry. So I put it in Sunday night, and this is Thursday morning. So I just took it out this morning. So if you guys notice, one side is a little bit tighter than the other side, and I think I use a different product on either side, so we can compare which product gives the better curl. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to send it over to you guys. Bye. So check out the bounce. Check out the bounce. Look. And I'm not doing anything extra, look. This is just my regular walk. It bounces, it bounces, it bounces, bounces, bounces. Who run the world? Curls. Who run the world? Curls. Who run the world? Curls. I love the girls. Oh my god. This took 4 days to get it to fully dry. Like, what? I'm doing all the videos and photos now because it probably will drop by the end of the day. So this is May 1st, the same day that I took the rods down. So you can see all the curl definition on the first day. May 2nd is when the curls started to drop, but you can still see a little bit of the curl definition. It's still pretty tight, but now you're starting to see the full length of my hair. I love this look too, but I just want to make sure you guys are aware you need to plan it out if you're trying to capture that tight look. You got to get it on day 1. Now we head over to day 3. At this point, I just did a ponytail because most of it kind of drops. I just wanted to see a high ponytail. And now we're at day 4. I did the 40-mile bike tour and it rained. So all my curls were gone. So hopefully you guys go ahead and give this style a try. If you do, please go ahead and comment down below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with my future videos. Toodles!